Good morning, students. Today I'll be dealing with class 12th report writing. There's a basic structure or layout of a report writing, and if you follow these steps, it will be quite easy for you to formulate your report writing. So, the first thing you write in your report writing is the heading. That is what is the event, that can be your heading. Next is the byline. Byline means the person by whom the report writing is written. The name of that person can be written. Next point is place, date, month. The place where it has been organized, date, month. You can remember it as PDM also. Next is the opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to answer basically the 4 questions: who, what, when, and where. Who means who is the organizer, what was organized, when means the time when it was organized, and where, the place. Next is how and why. You have to answer the 2 questions: how the program was organized, in what way, what were the different activities involved, and why, what was the basic aim of organizing the event. Next, you can include is people involved, experts, and feedback. Who were the people involved, whether they were experts, what were their feedback, and lastly will be your conclusion. So I repeat the basic points. Number 1 is heading, 2 byline, third is PDM, that is place, date, month. Next one is opening paragraph, where you answer 4 questions: who, what, when, where. Next, how and why. Next, people involved, experts and their feedback, and the last is the conclusion. So here's a sample question. Your school had organized a green day recently. Prepare a report for the school magazine. This is your question. So event here is green day. So you can make your heading as green day. If the name of the school is mentioned, you have to write the particular school name, and if there is no school name given, then you can write any name. It will be your choice completely. So here I have written the Global International School organizes Green Day. This is your heading as per the event. Next, byline, that is the name of the person by whom the report has been written. So it's by Garima Dubey. It is the person who has written the report. Next was PDM, place, date, month. To Delhi, 20th April. Next is opening paragraph, where you answer 4 things: who, what, when, and where. So accordingly, the Global International School had organized Green Day on 5th April from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the school premises. So here we have answered the 4 questions. Who means the Global International School. What, they have organized Green Day. When, on 5th April from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Where, at the school premises. Next is how and why, how the program started. So the program started with planting of medicinal plants and poster making competition. The students along with their teachers organized rally to aware people about the importance of planting trees. They expressed their opinions and emotions through slogans and pamphlets. The aim of the event was to utilize the creative aptitude of the students and to create awareness among people. I skip writing create, it will be and to create awareness among people. So in this paragraph we have answered how and why. How means how the program started. It started with planting of medicinal plants and poster making competition. Why? The aim was to utilize the creative aptitude and to create awareness among people. Next was the people involved. The chief guest, Dr. Ayan Sheikh, applauded the performance of the students and awarded certificates to the winners of the competition. He said, environmental protection is not the responsibility of the government alone. Our principal, Mr. Mark John, also appreciated the efforts made by both the students and the teachers. He said, clean environment is a shared responsibility. So these were the people involved: chief guest, students, teacher, and principal. their feedback they have given. They applauded the performance of the students, they awarded them, they gave their statement, their feedback for the program, and lastly will be the conclusion. The earnest and energetic efforts and participation of the students lived up to the success and mission of the Green Day. There have to be small efforts made, and each individual can help in this regard. The conclusion should not be personal as we do in essays and articles. It has to be according to the event. So this is how you write your report writing. I hope this will help you, and if you follow these steps you will be able to write your report writing in a more easier way. Thank you.